How to fix a login error on Walmart. If you're not being able to log into Walmart app for any sort of reason, the first thing you should check is your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and see if that actually helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't, if you're using the Walmart app on Android, long press the Walmart app icon, tap on this I button that will take you to the app info page on Android. This setting will be found on any Android device. From here you can go to storage, clear the cached files and clear the data. If you're using on iPhone, you can try to offload the app. Now go to your Play Store or your App Store and search for the Walmart app. Check if it has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. If none of these are helping you, then chances are that you could be entering an incorrect credential. So you want to make sure that the email or phone number associated with your Walmart Era account is correct. If you forgot your password, you can also try to reset your password instead. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve a problem. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.